Did you know the tiniest kitchen visitor can cause the biggest chaos? This little house mouse is doing what mice do best, sneaking across the counter on silent paws, searching for crumbs. Watch how delicately it steps, barely making a sound. But wait, something's not right here. Those tiny paws are suddenly creating massive shock waves with every step, rattling dishes and shaking furniture like a miniature earthquake. Who knew something so small could pack such an impossibly powerful punch? Nature's smallest troublemaker just became the ultimate kitchen destroyer.